Why hello, it's Kat Ray here. So today the project we are doing is we are tearing the carpet up in our kitchen, and then there's also some tile in a very small bathroom. But all I can say is don't carpet in your kitchen. It's just not a place to put carpet. In the kitchen you need a tile or some sort of floor that you can spill water on and just wipe it up, or you can have little kids throwing bananas and all sorts of food around. You can just easily wipe it up. Carpet in the kitchen just doesn't work. Don't do it is all I can say it. But you can see. So here is the carpet. It's a very thin carpet. You can see around here, that's where our garbage can was. I'm a little embarrassed to show this, but we're tearing it out. We're getting new tiles, so this is kind of good. Over here, we've kind of started to tear it up, and we just got to pull it up. Then we got to pull this wood around here where the carpet, because the carpet did wrap up around the wall. We're gonna put in some baseboards. So here is Shiloh doing the manual labor in the bathroom of tearing up the tile. This is the main bedroom bathroom. It's a very small bathroom, but it does have the shower over there. But this is the job Shiloh has been given. Okay, so right now we're doing the first step, which is to tear out the carpet and the padding, and then we'll do all the small things after that.
We've actually already started. Empty. Completely empty.
Now that we got the carpet up, we got the pad up, Shiloh did the sweeping. Now there's little staples here that we're gonna have to get up, but right now we're gonna go along and get these metal pieces along here that was holding the carpet where the baseboards are gonna go. And then along here is the wood pieces that have the nails poking up that the carpet was stuck to. Okay, that piece is kind of a hard piece to pull out, so we had Josh do that. Now we're going to throw it in the garbage. Now we'll do the wood. So, just take the tool, hammer it in there, pull the wood up. It's kind of hard because it's right along the edge, but it comes up. So we have finished the morning part of the project. Now it's lunchtime. We're taking a small break so we can eat some lunch. But the biggest bummer about this is we had most of the carpet pulled up. We had kind of the trim pulled up. And underneath we thought it was just the dirt, but it's linoleum. And as we're like pulling the linoleum up, it's like breaking in chunks, so it's not gonna come up really easily. So we're probably not even halfway done with this project now, but it's only 12. We got the rest of the day to do this. You can see how there's just little crumbles all over the place. That's the linoleum pieces coming up into small little pieces. so we just ate some dinner. This is definitely taking much longer than we thought, but we're just on the last little part. We have to do the dining room. We have to pull up all this. I called it linoleum, but to tell you the truth, I don't really even know what it is. I don't know if this is linoleum or not, but it's coming off in little pieces. We just gotta get this crap up. So definitely last but not least is the fine tuning of the floor. When we pulled up the linoleum, it had these pieces of kind of a thick paper. So Shiloh's doing this scraping, getting this paper off, then I'm going around the side and getting it off around the top. Oh, Shiloh, just lift up and show us the tool that you're using. You're holding it flat, gotta show me. There you go.
That's a scrapey pants 2000.
Okay, another one of the fine tuning jobs that we're doing to the floor here is underneath the sink. This got a little wet, so it had a bit of a bulge to it. So Josh is taking the sanders and he's just flattening that out so it's completely flat for putting on the tile. Okay. Hey friends, we are all done with this project. This took so much longer than I thought it would. I thought this would take us just like a half a day, but it took us 2 days to remove the carpet and linoleum. Then the tilers came and it took them 3 days to get the tile in. But man, look at it, it looks so beautiful. Now we just have to do a couple other things here in the kitchen. We're gonna move this downstairs. We gotta do the baseboards, and then I got some painting to do. But man, those are for a different day and different projects. So, thanks for joining me. Remember, work hard, play hard, and we'll see you on the next project.